Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the cross cannizzaro reaction. Myself Miss Priyanka Bandivadekar, Assistant Professor in Pharmaceutical Chemistry of Konkan Jnanpith Rahul Darkar College of Pharmacy. So let's start with the cross cannizzaro reaction. In my previous video we have learned about the cannizzaro reaction. So let's start with the cross cannizzaro reaction. Cross cannizzaro reaction, it is a mixture of formaldehyde and non-enolizable aldehyde, or in a simple way it is a mixture of two different aldehyde. As we have seen in cannizzaro's reaction, there are two molecules of formaldehyde that taken part in the reaction. In presence of strong base, there we are getting the alcohol and formic acid. Simply the same product you are getting, but according to your mixture of two different aldehyde, you are getting a two different product, that is alcohol and formic acid, which is a two different, one is different alcohol and formic acid. So what will happen in a mixture of formaldehyde and non-enolizable aldehyde in presence of strong base, when these two are reacting with each other, your formaldehyde is get oxidized to form formic acid, and second one, the second aldehyde which you have taken, it is get reduced to form an alcohol. So let's see the general reaction. I have taken example of benzaldehyde here. This is a benzaldehyde which is reacting in presence and which is reacting with the formaldehyde in presence of strong base NaOH and hydronium ion, that is a protonated water, and you are getting a product, that is benzyl alcohol plus formic acid. So this is a general reaction which you have to learn in this cross cannizzaro's reaction. So let's start with its mechanism. Mechanism behind this cross cannizzaro's reaction and the cannizzaro's reaction is some kind of same. So what will be the difference? See in mechanism. The first step of mechanism is formation of hydrated ion. In plain cannizzaro's reaction also, the first step is the formation of hydrated ion. Initially what will happen, your formaldehyde is reacted or it is get attacked by your nucleophile, that is a hydroxide ion. Means why only formaldehyde is take part in the formation of hydrated ion? Why not benzaldehyde is not take part in hydrated ion? Because formaldehyde, as there are no electron donating group present on it, that's why the formaldehyde is take part first in the formation of hydrated ion. What will happen? This double bond is get shifted on oxygen. So this oxygen become O minus and this carbon becomes C plus. That is a carbocation formation over here. In presence of your nucleophile, that is a hydroxide ion, what will happen? Because of the formation of this carbocation, your nucleophile will attack on this carbocation, and you are getting a product, that is hydrated ion. From formaldehyde to hydrated anion. Now the second step of this reaction is transfer of proton, that is a hydrogen, from hydrated ion to another carbonyl carbonaldehyde. Another carbonyl carbonaldehyde means which? Yes, your benzaldehyde. Your hydrated anion is react with your benzaldehyde. How? Let's see. By transferring this double bond, means this two electron on oxygen, this oxygen become O minus and this carbon become C plus, that is formation of carbocation over here. And at the same time your hydrogen will get removed, and this, because of the removal of this hydrogen, this carbon become electron deficient. So the oxygen share its electron with carbon and there will be formation of double bond. That is your formation of formic acid. So this hydrogen is now, which is removed from this hydrated anion, is this combined with your benzaldehyde to form an benzyl oxide, which is a further converted into benzyl alcohol. So in third step, under acidic condition, what will happen? Your benzyl oxide, here there is 2 electron which is there on the oxygen, and there is a formic acid. Because of this acid, as it's the nature of acid, it gives a proton, and means reduction of this benzyl oxide takes place over here, and the hydrogen which is get removed from this formic acid is get combined or get form a bond with this oxygen by sharing its electron with this, and in acidic workup you are getting the sodium salt of formic acid and your benzyl alcohol. So these are the 3 steps of mechanism of cross Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you students. I hope you like this kind of session which I have taken first time for you. If you like this session, then please comment me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.